Yes, dear students, today our main demonstration is upon the process of osmosis, that is considered to be one of the fundamental concept of the cell biology. In this process, you will see that how the process of the water movement occurs out of the cell and inside of the cell. So this fundamental process, osmosis, how it works, you will see in this osmotic system. For the osmotic system, we have arranged a potato system here. In this process, and you will check what is the effect of the various solutions when we place the cell in the different systems. We have got here students. I have already demonstrated them how to solve this, and they will practically perform this experiment.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, I am AIYMAN with KHANSA Sajad. Today we are going to investigate a fundamental process of biology, that's osmosis. Osmosis is the movement of water molecule from an area of higher concentration to an area of lower concentration through selectively permeable membrane.
Foremost, to do an experiment on osmosis, we must know what is hypotonic solution and what is hypertonic solution. Hypertonic solution is that type of solution in which the concentration of solute is more than that of the inside of cell. While as in hypotonic solution, is that type of solution in which the concentration of solute is less than that of the inside of cell. As we can see, there are two solutions. This is hypertonic solution. Hypertonic solution is more densely pigmented as we have put more concentration of salt in this type of solution. And this is hypotonic solution. This solution is not so much deeply pigmented as we have put small concentration of solute in this type of solution.
Let's start our experiment. As these potatoes will act as osmotic systems, let's see how they will act.
As we have two potatoes and two solutions. One is hypertonic solution and another one is hypotonic solution. The potatoes will act as a selectively permeable membrane of a cell, that's plasma membrane. So now we will put potato first in hypertonic solution and potato second in hypotonic solution. Now we will wait for a while. Currently, we can see the potato first has lost the water as we have placed it into the hypertonic solution. In potato second, the cell has gained the water as we have placed it into the hypotonic solution.
We have concluded that water will move into the cell in an hypotonic solution because there was low solute concentration, and water will move out of the cell because there was high solute concentration.
At last, at the conclusion, now you have got out the message, or we can see you have clearly understood how the solution works here. Hypertonic solution is responsible for bringing water out of the cell, that is the process of exosmosis. Here occurs the process of endosmosis in which the cell gains the water. So that is actual difference is here the solution difference. So we can see concentration of the solutions. So this concentration of solution same works in the types of the cells that are present in our body. Okay.